If you've decided to upgrade the windows in your Mandeville home, you're making an investment in both the aesthetics and functionality of your property. Whether you're replacing old, drafty windows or installing energy-efficient models, the process of window installation is a significant step that can enhance your home's curb appeal, improve energy efficiency, and boost security. While window installation is a valuable home improvement, it can also be a bit overwhelming for homeowners unfamiliar with the process. In this article, we'll walk you through what you can expect during window installation in Mandeville, from preparation to post-installation, and give you insight into how to ensure the process goes smoothly. Choosing the right window style and material. Before installation can even begin, you'll need to select the right windows for your home. This is an exciting part of the process, but it's also important to consider both style and function. When selecting your windows, keep in mind energy efficiency. Opt for double or triple glazed windows with low E-glass if you're looking to improve energy efficiency. These windows help regulate your home's temperature, reducing heating and cooling costs. Style. Windows come in many styles: double hung, casement, slider, or awning windows. The style you choose should complement your home's architecture and meet your functional needs. Frame material. Options include vinyl, wood, fiberglass, or aluminum. Vinyl is low maintenance and energy efficient, while wood offers a classic look but requires more upkeep. Work with your window installation company to ensure you choose the best windows for your home, climate, and budget. Initial assessment and measurement. Once you've selected your windows, the installation team will conduct an initial assessment of your home. This is a critical step to ensure that the new windows will fit properly and function well. Here's what happens during this phase. Accurate measurements. A professional installer will measure each window frame carefully to ensure the new windows will fit correctly. This step is crucial for preventing air leaks, drafts, and gaps that could compromise the window's performance. Inspection of current frames. The installer will inspect your existing window frames for any signs of damage or rot. If the frames are damaged, they may need to be replaced or reinforced before the new windows are installed. Custom window orders. If you've chosen custom windows, the installer will order them to your exact specifications, which may take a little longer. Standard window styles, on the other hand, are usually available more quickly. Preparation for installation. Before the installation day arrives, there are a few things you'll need to do to prepare your home. Clear the area. Make sure the area around the windows is cleared of furniture, drapes, or other items that might get in the way. This allows the installers to work more efficiently and safely. Protect your floors. The installation team will likely lay down protective coverings to shield your floors from dust and debris. Allow for accessibility. If possible, ensure that the installation team can easily access the outside of your home for window installation. This may involve trimming back any overgrown shrubbery or plants near the windows. Window installation process. On the day of installation, the team will arrive with all the tools and materials needed to complete the job. While the specifics may vary depending on the type of window and complexity of the installation, here's a general breakdown of what you can expect. Removal of old windows. The installation team will begin by carefully removing your old windows, ensuring no damage is done to the surrounding walls or trim. This process may create some dust, but the team will take steps to minimize the mess. Frame preparation. Once the old window is removed, the team will prepare the frame. This includes checking for any structural damage and ensuring the frame is level and square. Installing the new window. The new window will be placed into the prepared frame, and the team will secure it with special fasteners. Once in place, they will ensure that the window opens and closes smoothly, and all seals are secure. Sealing and insulation. The installers will seal the window with weather stripping or foam insulation to prevent air leaks. This step ensures your home remains energy efficient after installation. Final adjustments. Once the window is secure, the team will make final adjustments to ensure it functions properly and meets your expectations. This may include making sure the window locks securely and is free of any gaps. Post-installation inspection and cleanup. After the new windows are installed, the installation team will conduct a final inspection to ensure everything is in good working order. They'll check for any issues with the fit, finish, or functionality of the windows and make sure any necessary adjustments are made. The team will also clean up the work area, removing any old windows, debris, or dust left behind during the installation process. You can expect a clean and professional finish by the end of the day. Follow-up and maintenance tips. Once your windows are installed, the company may provide you with a warranty on the windows and installation work. Be sure to ask about the warranty details and any maintenance tips for keeping your windows in optimal condition. Some manufacturers may recommend cleaning the windows regularly and inspecting the seals annually to ensure everything is in good condition. Proper care will ensure your new windows continue to perform well and maintain their energy efficiency. Conclusion. Window installation in Mandeville is a rewarding home improvement project that can improve your home's energy efficiency, security, and appearance. By understanding what to expect during the installation process, you can ensure a smooth and hassle-free experience. From the initial consultation and measurement to the final inspection, professional installers will work efficiently to provide you with beautiful, functional windows